At the count, sabay kayong magbubukas, Jet and Ross. 1, 2, 3, go. Ross, congratulations. You're safe this week. Jet, you're on probation this week. Pakinggan natin ano sasabihin sa iyo ng juror.
And I will be here to watch you grow in beauty and tell you all the things you want to me.
Jet, ikaw ay isang probationary scholar dahil ang dami kang flats this time, no? Compared to last week mas nagustuhan ko pa, pero ngayon, this time parang kang ninervyos. Ewan ko, sayang. So, magtrabaho ka, study.
Dream Mentors, we have decided to give the scholar a second chance to be in the academy. Nakita namin ang pagsisikap mo to improve your craft at tumaasa kami with the chance we are giving. Papatunayan mong deserving kang tawaging Pinoy Dream Academy Scholar. Congratulations, ligtas ka sa linggong ito. Bea, you may now take it.
Mga kapamilya, ligtas na po from expulsion si Bea, sino kina Chris, Sheng at Jet ang ililigtas ninyo. At this point, scholars, kayo naman ang pipili kung sino sa mga co-scholars ang gusto nyong maligtas. However, iba na ang ating voting process as compared to last week. According to point scholars, kayo naman ang pipili kung sino sa mga co-scholars ang gusto nyong maligtas. However, iba na ang ating voting process as compared to last week. According to a new Academy regulation, ang pangalan na isusulat nyo sa inyong mga ballots, ang pangalan ng probationary scholar na sa tingin nyo ay karapat-dapat pa ring manatili under probation. So in other words, yung scholar na isusulat nyo sa inyong mga ballots sa pangalan ng scholar na gusto nyong ma-expel sa Academy. And tonight, ang probie na makakakuha ng pinakamababang boto ang siyang maliligtas from expulsion. Is that clear? You may start voting.
Mahirap mag-decide kasi lahat sila deserving na manatili pa. Pero dalawa dyan, mga kaibigan ko, tsaka kailangan pa nila talaga, mas kailangan pa nila ng hasa, kumbaga. Kaya binoto ko si Jet kasi sa tingin ko kayang-kaya niyang lagpasan yan.
Thank you, Zell. Apple.
Yung binoto ko, magaling po talaga tong taong to. And, yun, deserving talaga siya na andito siya. But I think he needs to spend time with his new son. So, Kuya Jet, I love you.
Thank you, Apple. Christian.
Ang binoto ko, sa tingin ko, yung time niya na nandito, nagawa na niyang lampasan yung mga subok. And alam ko strong siya, kaya ang pinili ko, si Sheng.
Thank you, Christian. Bunny.
Ang hirap talaga. Wala sana akong pipiliin, pero Kuya, I'm sorry.
Thank you, Bunny. Sen.
I have to choose the person that I think has something waiting for them outside. And because ang importante yung group. Kasi ganito talaga yung dalawang org. So, I chose Jet.
Thank you, Sen. Bea.
Ayoko talaga pumili kasi, well, probie rin ako and I know we all need to improve. That's why we're scholars here. But I picked this person because this person, for me, is mature enough to face everything outside. So I picked.
Thank you, Bea. Bugoy.
Sorry guys, pero all of us naman sa atin deserving. Pero mas pinili ko tong tao kasi mas kailangan siya sa labas. Sorry, kahit po nga kang agumusa kang akin. I vote Kuya Jet.
Thank you, Bugoy. Larnie.
Importante po kasi sa akin yung grupo. So, pinili ko po siya kasi alam ko po na nainis na po kasi ganyan yung baby at saka wife niya. Kuya Jet, sorry.
Thank you, Larnie. Van.
Alam ko, miss mo na yung anak mo, yung dalawang anak mo, lalo na yung asawa mo. At alam ko rin na miss mo na rin sila. Mahirap pero, Jeff, sorry.
Miguel.
Yung pinili ko, hindi siya base sa performance, pero base siya sa sitwasyon ng tao. Alam nating lahat at alam ng mga manonood kung anong sitwasyon na pinagdadaanan ni Jet. Kaya I think kailangan niya mag-reunite with his family.
Can we have your vote, please?
Hopefully you will bring out your potential because I know what you are capable of doing. Sorry.
Thank you, Naki. And lastly, Ross.
Binoto ko tong tao na to kasi wala lang, org, and exceptionally, super galing ka talaga. So I think, and you have the talent also, so, okay. So, sana hindi personal, just org.
Thank you, Rosie. Headmaster, please make the official announcement.
Nikki, para sa linggong ito, ang official list of probationary scholars ay binubuo ni na Jeff at ni Sheng. Pinaasahan kong gagalingan nyo ang inyong performance this week. Try harder. Kami nasa likod nyo. Pipilitin namin ang aming mga gawa para kayo'y mag-improve this week. Thank you.
Thanks, sis. Guys, bakit sa tingin nyo karapat dapat pa rin kayong manatili dito sa Academy, Jet?
Well, yeah, I think they did fair enough to all the guys who voted me. Don't worry. Tama kayo. I'm tough enough. Trust me. Dapat ako lang dito. Siguro, it's all up to God and it's all up to the people.
Alright. Thank you, Jet. Sheng?
Gustong-gusto ko pa pong magstay because I know I have a lot of things to improve. And alam ko na nandyan yung mga teachers to work hard on me. And I believe they can do it if I will be given a chance to stay.